say, this is probably about deep down too much. Leave a track.
Yeah, I'd say it is. So this is going to be basically what a lot of folks, you know, back in the backwoods, you're going to see trash piles.
Yep.
And that's how a lot of older family steads ran. They don't want to pay. I mean, and good on, you know, you just don't want to pay to mess around with the dump, and you've got a hole back in the back, and that's where it is.
Keep filling in the sinkhole.
Keep filling in the sinkhole. And my grandparents had the same thing, and they dug cars out of it and everything. All right, so you've got something dragging trash up in through here, and you can see where it's going and spreading, and you can kind of see where this is wore out just a smidge. So we might put a snare right here. Let's see, where else you think? You could put a foothold. I kind of like the footholds in there. What if you put a foothold? So you got that right there. What if you put a foothold right in here? Cleared this out and put it on this tree right here. It's right off the trail. You know, because they're coming down off here and through these trails. It's in the bend. As soon as it makes this bend, it's like ho ho. You know, smell something right there, or you know, wherever you think. Maybe something or not. Let's see around the water, see if it's. Hold on, what's that? Is that something there? That's something there. I don't know, buddy. Maybe. Just right now, just looking for tracks and seeing where they're coming. So you got the squirrel seed. So we're going to do some, like I said, some urban, suburban, rural-ish trapping. So we'll get her done. Look at your local laws and regulations before you do any of this. Don't do anything that we do. All the trust your government, all the things. So you like to just go ahead and screw this bad boy to the tree.
Yep.
Like it.
I'm sure people who know what they're doing could tell me why it's a bad idea, but this has always been easier for me than ground stakes. And like I never said I knew what I was doing.
There you go. Beautiful.
Give me that back.
Might have to have a little bit more to dig it in. You want me to set it?
Oh, yeah, just clean
the boots. It's always good to have a buddy doing that, because those things are strong. Move that.
The biggest thing that I try to do is make sure you've got a semi-solid base that it sits on.
Mm-hmm.
Because if not, they can step on it, and instead of triggering the trap, you'll just smush it into the mud. And I'm sure people who take care of their traps better than I do.
Oh, they're going crazy right now because you're not covering it with dirt or anything like that.
Yeah, it'd be fine.
Oh my gosh, you're not doing this and that and this and that. So here's one thing too. We need to make everything else other than this little nice area. We almost need to set this as like the perfect area for it to put its thing. So you almost want to put stuff around the trap where it's like, well, it's not going to be comfortable to step here or step here. And then there we go. And this is some deer. Yes. And we're just going to set that right there because we want it to come in and basically want it to come in and step right on that. So you don't want things poking in the face or anything like that. There we go. And you almost just want to just guide it right in there. Look there, that's beautiful. There we go. We'll see what happens.
When I do set snares, when I
Can do it.
no,
Nah.
it seems to work so
Take it to make it. There you go. So you've got the trail leading to the bigger pile coming right out of here, and we will see what happens. You're just going to go ahead and just put one foothold out for right now?
That's all I brought.
Okay. Woo! We'll see what happens. It was caught on that trail cam right over there, so we'll kind of see.
We can catch all the neighborhood dogs.
All right, stay with us, see what happens.